During the American Rental Association show in Las Vegas, Vermeer debuted the RTX250 tracked walk-behind trencher. The trencher uses a Kohler 27 horsepower gasoline-electric fuel injection engine, which gives the machine 25% more fuel efficiency. The trencher digs up to 48 inches deep and 8 inches wide, and is designed for digging short utility lines in confined spaces. Also during the rental show, Vermeer debuted the S450TX mini skid steer. Powered by a 27 horsepower Kohler EFI engine, the machine is less than 36 inches wide with standard narrow tracks, and is Vermeer's smallest mini skid steer.